Alright guys, so there you saw it. 14 studio units priced at 15 million Jamaican dollars. They're on sale right now. Unit size 430 square feet. Right? If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. That's the cheapest way to support the channel. Remember to like, comment, and leave your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Share the video with some persons that you think may be interested, or just share it on your social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok. Share it so that persons who are looking somewhere to live can see the video. Right? So it's the Vineyard Town Housing Development. So I already did a video on the Howard Avenue Housing Development. I'll put that link in the pinned comments. I'll put NHT application link in the pinned comments as well, so you guys can be able to apply. So applications are now open. Today is Wednesday, September 24th. Application closed tomorrow, Thursday, September 25th at 8 p.m. So it's not a first come first serve. So even if you're the last applicant out of 1,000, you still have a chance, because they're doing it based on NHT points. And points is accumulated based on the number of years you're contributing, how close you live to the property, your salary, and I think your address as well. So it's a point-based system because it's an NHT development. Through NHT, you can qualify for the 15 million with NHT only by yourself, because once it's an NHT development, so I did some research, once it's an NHT development, you can get up to $17 million. So once your salary can afford it, you can fully be financed by NHT. So that's a good thing. So also for the Howard Avenue development, it means that NHT can be your only source of financing, because you get up to 17 mil because it's an NHT partnered development. So it's located on 2A Central Avenue, which connects with 3rd Avenue. So it's 2A Central Avenue and 7th 3rd Avenue, right? And to be honest, it's two different lots that the property is on, so that's why the address is stated how it is. One property is on 2A Central Avenue with I think around 10 units, or probably 8 units are on Central Avenue. And then on 7th 3rd Avenue, there's the other 6 properties. So it's 2 split lots. A house is separating the development. It will be fenced. It will be fully fenced, but I don't think they'll have a security at the gate. I'm not sure, to be honest. They didn't list anything like that. It's a studio complex. You guys were able to see a first look of what it's like. So it's a studio unit, and they have this small kitchen area, bathroom is enclosed, and you have living, dining, bedroom in one. It doesn't look bad, to be honest, but let me hear you guys' thoughts. The only thing I wish, if these were like on some service lots where persons can now expand as a starter home, young people can expand on this. It's good as a starter. We can talk about the price, we can talk about the location, but the fact that you can't expand, when it 15 mil, you let me know in the comments, right? So we talk about applications are now open. We talk about the price, the size. This is some of the conveniences: quartz countertop, kitchen cabinets, bathroom cabinet with mirror. So I appreciate the person that allowed me to get a few pictures of inside for you guys, because I don't know why, but when NHT is doing a development and they're going on sale, they have no pictures, no videos, and most time persons won't even allow you to come on the property to look, right? I really don't like that, but happy that somebody gave me the chance to show you guys around for this Vineyard Town Housing Development. I still haven't seen where, I'm not sure it has changed since the video I did. And again, there's a video for the Howard Avenue. If you're not yet seen it, you can search for it on my channel, or I'll put the link in my comments. But not sure if persons are now able to go on the Howard Avenue development to see what inside is like. I'll do some more research on that for you guys. So that's basically it. So we were able to see inside. We have the driving portion to show you how to drive. We're going to drive to the location, so stay tuned for that. And we have the drone shots as well. So I appreciate your support. Thanks for clicking on the video. Thanks for your like, your subscribe. You subscribing. I'm also a licensed realtor with Keller Williams Jamaica. So if you have a property for sale, you can give me a buzz. If you have a property for rent, you can buzz me. If you're looking for property to buy or rent, you can buzz me as well. I'll put my realtor channel in the comments too. It's Jamaica Properties for Sale, and I'll put my phone number there as well because I'm a realtor. So other than NHT Properties, if you have a property selling, you can give me a buzz. I'll get the job done for you. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't want to do too much talking. I'll leave you guys with the rest of the video, so I appreciate it. Alright, so as promised, guys, I'll be showing you the journey to the Vineyard Town Housing Development. They have 14 studios currently on sale for $15 million. So straight ahead is Mountain View Avenue, right out there, Mountain View Avenue. And then from Mountain Avenue come on to Deanery Road. That's where we're on now. I'm currently on the property of Rubis gas station. Then from here we're gonna drive on to Deanery Avenue. So stay tuned, just showing you guys how to locate the property, what the area is like that it's in. Alright, so we turned around. So this is the Rubis gas station. From here let's head on to Deanery Road, then Deanery Avenue. So stay tuned. Thanks for liking, thanks for clicking on this video, thanks for all your support. Remember, the cheapest way to support the channel is by subscribing, and this is where we showcase all different type of developments, whether it's commercial, residential, you name it, we show it. Alright, so we'll be taking a left turn onto Deanery Avenue. Alright, so we are on Deanery Avenue, and the property we're looking for, it's gonna be at the, you can call it intersection of Central Avenue and 3rd Avenue. So just showing you guys how to locate the property. So this is 1st Avenue on the right. And then we're approaching 2nd Avenue on the right. So again, we're on Deanery Avenue. Alright, so straight ahead leads onto Mountain View Avenue. So that's Mountain View Avenue out there. So we take this 3rd right. So this is 3rd Avenue. development is on the right. So it's 3rd Avenue connecting with Central Avenue, off Deanery Avenue, off Mountains View Avenue.